Hello! Have a good day, everyone. Today I'm gonna walk you through the most famous Psalm, Psalm 23. Now, Psalm 23 is one of the most loved passages in the Bible. And for good reason, it reminds us that God is not distant. He is a shepherd who truly cares for us. And maybe today, just today, you feel tired. You feel stressed, worried, or even unsure of what's next to come. My friend, you are not alone. God cares for you more than you know. So let's look at the three beautiful lessons from Psalm 23 about God's care. Let's begin. Number one, God provides what we truly need, not always what we want. In Psalm 23 verse 1, it says here, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Now, when God is your shepherd, your deepest needs are met. Your life is in His hands. Your soul is covered. Now, He may not always give you what you want, but He always give you what you truly need. Kung siya ang imuhang magbalantay, ako 101% dili ka pasagdan sa Ginoo. Naay mo atiman nimo kanunay, naay mo giya nimo kanunay sad. So for me, that's security. That's care at the same time. Number two, God knows when you need rest and renewal. Now in Psalm 23 verses 2 to 3, it says here, "He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul." Now sometimes God doesn't just push you forward. Sometimes He slows you down. Now, when you are weary, He gives rest. When you are overwhelmed by too many things, He brings stillness. When your heart feels heavy, He restores your soul. Bisan kapoy na ka, na ay Ginoo nga muingon nimo, "Anak, pahulay usa. Ako say bahala na." What a loving shepherd we have. And lastly, number three, God stays with you, even in the hardest valleys. Now in Psalm 23 verse 4, it says here, "Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me." God never promised a life without valleys, but He promised that you will never walk them alone. So, in moments that you will have grief, He's there. In moments of your confusion, He is there. In moments that you feel that fear, He is there. His presence does not remove the valley, but it removes the fear as you go through the valley. So bisan sa kangit-ngit usahay sa imuhang nakita, ayaw ka balaka kay gakuyog gihapon mo sa Ginoo, dili kaniya biyaan. Wala man nimo siya makita, wala man nimo siya maguniti, pero tuhui that He is with you. That is His faithful care for us. And Psalm 23 reminds us of this truth. You are fully known. Kailag yun ang Ginoo nimo. You are deeply loved and constantly cared for by our shepherd, by your shepherd. So today, rest your heart. Trust His guidance. And remember, you never go unseen. He never forgot you. And you are never alone. Padayon sa pagsalig diha sa Ginoo. He cares for you more than you realize. And this is my question to all of you that are listening. Which part of Psalm 23 reminds you most of God's care? And why? Now, Please share your thoughts below. Your story might encourage someone today. It's another day. It's another three things. Bye.